Hello, my name is Karen Smith. I'm the owner and one of the electricians at Bright Spark Electrical Services, your local electricians. So we move over to the 240 volt variety of downlight. This is a regular downlight with the lamp inside. I'm just undoing that and giving it a bit of a pull. The light bulb lamp is in there. It's a matter of pushing it back in place, some notches, twisting it around a bit, and then you can lock the lamp in place. It's a little bit harder for me because I've got to hold onto that and the lamp. Now, this is a chrome tilt and turn downlight. So instead of just being flat, pointing downwards, we can tilt it. So you may want to highlight a piece of furniture, maybe some pictures, maybe a certain part of the room. You may have got a slanting roof or ceiling. This is a brushed chrome one or a satin chrome. Depends on the manufacturer. They could call them different things at the time. So chrome, shiny chrome, brushed chrome. Here is the white version. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell to be informed when we release some more videos.